Hello learners, today I am going to teach you some important MCQs from the enemy chapter. Let's see. The first MCQ is, who is the writer of the chapter The Enemy? Jack Finney, Kalki, Tishani Doshi, Pearl S. Buck. Correct answer is Pearl S. Buck. Second question is, name of the main character of The Enemy is General Takima, Hana, Yumi, Dr. Sadao Hoki. Correct answer is Dr. Sadao Hoki. Third question is, what is the name of Dr. Sadao's wife? Mary Hana, Mariam Hana, Hana, none of these. Correct answer is Hana. Next question is, Sadao was not only a surgeon but also a astronomer, scientist, pianist, professor. Correct answer is scientist. Next question is, at what age did Sadao go to America to learn? 18-year-old, 20-year-old, 22-year-old, 24-year-old. Correct answer is 22 years old. Next question is, how many children did Sadao and Hana have? 1, 2, 3, 4. Correct answer is 2. When Sadao was a young boy, he climbed on which tree? Peepal, coconut, pine, banyan. Correct answer is pine. Next question is, Sadao's father never dash and dash with him. Taught and learned, played and jokes, scolded and praised, none of these. Correct answer is played and joked. Sadao had a brother, a sister, no siblings, both A and B. Correct answer is no siblings. Next question is, Sadao had come back from America at age 27-year-old, 28-year-old, 29-year-old, 30-year-old. Correct answer is 30 years old. Next question is, Sadao was perfecting a discovery which would render wounds, sharp surgery, medicine, none of these. Correct answer is render wounds. Next question is, what was the color of Hauri which Hana was wearing? Dark blue, white, green, red. Correct answer is dark blue. Sadao at first decided to treat the soldier, throw him back into the sea, Hana him over the hand him over the police and make him unconscious. Correct answer is throw him back into the sea. Next question is the wounded soldier belonged to the Russian Army, US Navy, the British Army, the Japanese Navy. Correct answer is US Navy. Next question is the recovery soldier was fed by Sadao, Sadao's servant, Hana, none of these. Correct answer is Hana. Next question is where was soldier kept in? Sadao's guest room, Sadao's father's room, his servant's quarter, Sadao's quarters room. Correct answer is Sadao's father's room. Next question is Sadao kept addressing the soldier as his enemy, his brother, his friend, none. Correct answer is his friend. Next question is Hana wanted the soldier to be washed by whom? Sadao, Yumi, Gardner, none of these. Correct answer is Yumi. Next question is the name of the prisoner as told to Hana was Henry, Tom, Peter, Dickens. Correct answer is Tom. How many times was the prisoner asked to flash the light if he ran out of food? Correct answer is option is twice, thrice, once, never. Correct answer is twice. What happened on the seventh day after the operation? The prisoner died. The prisoner ran away. All the servants of the Sadao left together. None of these. Correct answer is all the servants of the Sadaos left together. Next question is Sadao made the prisoner dress up in Japanese cloth, Indian cloth, Korean cloth, none of these. Correct answer is Japanese clothes. Sadao had been a victim of in America. Unruly mob, racial prejudice, unfriendly classmate, none of these. Correct answer is racial prejudice. Sadao got his reward when the prisoner could escape, all servants returned, his wife agreed to stay with him. These. Correct answer is the prisoner could escape. Next question is Sadao had met Hana at the house of a friend, his auntie, American professor, none. Correct answer is American professor. What kind of person was Sadao's father? An easygoing person, a patriotic person, a traditional man, all of these. Correct answer is all of these. Where was Sadao's house situated? On rocks above a narrow beach, on the beach, near forest, none. Correct answer is on the beach. Sadao drew his kimono round his wearing legs, body, head, hands. Correct answer is body. Gardner used the blood of the found as a drug, medicine, fertilizer, none. Correct answer is fertilizer. Next question is, who was Yumi? Sadao's sister, maid of Hana, Hana's cousin, none. Maid of Hana. Who untied the knotted rugs that kept the white man covered? Yumi, Gardner, Hana, Sadao. Correct answer, Hana. Why did Hana wash the wounded soldier herself? Because Hana was the only one. The servants could not do so. Servants refused to do so. None. Correct answer. Servants refused to do so. Next question. Father's chief concern about Dr. Sadao. His married life, his medical practice, his education, his health. Correct answer is his education. Americans are our enemies. Who said these lines? Gardner, Hana, Yumi, Sadao. Correct answer is Sadao. Why did messenger come to Sadao's house? To arrest him, to meet him, to talk with him, to inform about the general's pain. Correct answer is to inform about the general's. Thank you.